If you are over 60 and notice your legs getting tired faster, climbing stairs becoming a burden, or having to push off your chair to stand up, do not ignore these signs. This isn't just aging, it's a red alert for severe muscle loss. At this age, the body enters anabolic resistance, meaning it no longer synthesizes protein as efficiently as it once did. Your muscles become less responsive to nutrition, leading to fibers shrinking and weakening every day. To know your exact status, join me in a 10-second strength test. Find a sturdy chair, sit up straight, cross your arms over your chest, and do not use your hands for support. Now, try to stand up and sit down repeatedly. If you feel shaky, lose balance, or struggle significantly, your muscle mass is at a critical level. Losing muscle increases the risk of falls, fractures, and loss of independence. Before we dive into the 5 golden foods to reverse this and regain your strength, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications now. This small action ensures you never miss health secrets tailored for your golden years and helps this video reach others in need. Now, let's start with the most important food. Number 1. Eggs, the ultimate muscle. Superfood eggs are the absolute gold standard for muscle recovery in seniors. They provide what we call a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. Most importantly, eggs are rich in leucine, an amino acid that acts as a biological ignition switch to jumpstart protein synthesis. For those over 60, your body's engine for building muscle becomes harder to start. Leucine is the spark plug that makes it happen. Don't fear the cholesterol in the yolk. Modern science shows that the yolk actually contains healthy fats and minerals like vitamin D and selenium that work synergistically with the white to build more muscle than eating whites alone. Starting your day with 2 eggs ensures your body has a high-quality building block supply immediately after the long overnight fast, preventing your body from breaking down its own leg muscles for energy. Number 2. Spinach, the green power source. Second on the list is spinach, the legendary green that provides much more than just iron. Its real secret for muscle health lies in natural nitrates. These nitrates help your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your muscle cells, operate at peak efficiency. This means your muscles can produce more strength and movement while using less oxygen, which is why you'll feel less hut-hoy or out of breath when walking or climbing stairs. Beyond energy, spinach is loaded with powerful antioxidants that protect your aging muscle fibers from oxidative stress and inflammation. Think of it as a protective shield for your cells. When your muscle cells are less stressed, they recover significantly faster from daily activities. Whether you lightly saute it or blend it into a morning smoothie, spinach provides the cellular fuel needed to keep your body moving smoothly and without pain. Number 3. Chickpeas, the secret to plant-based resilience. Number 3 is chickpeas, a nutritional powerhouse that is often overlooked in traditional diets. While meat provides protein, chickpeas offer a unique combination of plant-based protein and high levels of magnesium. Magnesium is the mineral responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including muscle contraction and the transmission of nerve signals to your limbs. If you experience restless legs or painful nighttime cramps, your muscles are crying out for the magnesium found in chickpeas. Furthermore, Chickpeas provide slow-releasing complex carbohydrates. Unlike white rice or bread, which cause energy spikes and crashes, chickpeas give you a steady stream of fuel throughout the afternoon. This prevents catabolism, the process where your body burns its own muscle because it ran out of food energy. Adding a portion of chickpeas to your lunch is like giving your muscles a long-lasting battery pack to stay strong all day. Number 4. Greek yogurt, recovering muscles while you sleep. Number 4 is Greek yogurt, specifically chosen for its unique ability to protect you during the night. Standard yogurt is often thin and full of sugar, but Greek yogurt is strained to be thick and packed with casein protein. Casein is known as a slow-release protein.
As the protein moves
While
from
other
the stomach to the
proteins are
small
absorbed
intestine,
quickly,
pancreatic
casein
enzymes
takes
and
hours
pepidases
to
break it
digest,
down.
releasing a constant drip feed of amino acids into your bloodstream while you sleep. This is vital because the 8 hours you spend sleeping are the 8 hours your body is most at risk of losing muscle mass if it doesn't have nutrients. By having a small bowl of Greek yogurt in the evening, you are essentially hiring a night shift to repair and rebuild your leg muscles while you rest. Additionally, it is a massive source of calcium, which strengthens the bone structure your muscles are attached to. Strong muscles are useless without strong bones to support them, and Greek yogurt provides both in one simple snack. Number 5. Salmon and fatty fish, anti-inflammation and protection. Number 5 is salmon and other fatty fish like mackerel or sardines, which are the ultimate protectors against aging. The magic ingredient here is omega-3 fatty acids. As we age, our bodies develop silent inflammation, a low-level swelling that acts like acid, slowly eating away at our muscle protein and making our joints stiff and painful. Omega-3s are the world's best natural anti-inflammatories. They cool down this internal fire, allowing your muscles to grow without being attacked by your own immune system. But there's more. Omega-3s actually make your muscle cells more sensitive to the protein you eat. This means that if you eat an egg and a piece of salmon, your body will use the egg's protein much more effectively than if you ate the egg alone. It greases the wheels of your entire metabolism. By eating fatty fish twice a week, you aren't just building muscle. You are optimizing your entire body to stay flexible, pain-free, and young at heart. The first mistake is backloading all your protein at dinner. This is perhaps the most frequent error I see in seniors' diets. Many people eat a light breakfast of toast or porridge and a simple lunch of vegetables, saving their big meat or fish dish for the family dinner. However, the human body has a protein threshold. It can only process about 25 to 30 grams of protein in a single sitting. When you eat a massive amount at night, the excess isn't stored as muscle. It's either wasted or stored as fat. More importantly, because your muscles were starved of protein all morning and afternoon, they spent those 10 hours in a catabolic state, literally breaking themselves down to provide essential amino acids for your heart and brain. To stop this, you must distribute your protein intake evenly across breakfast, lunch, and dinner to keep your muscle-building machinery running 24/7.
Why do they make these labels
The
so
second mistake
complicated?
is eating too little out of
don't
fear of
understand what
chronic
this means.
illness. As we age, many of us become terrified of high cholesterol, high blood pressure, or diabetes, so we begin to cut our portions drastically. While avoiding junk food is good, chronic undereating is a death sentence for your muscles. When your body doesn't receive enough total calories to function, it views your muscle tissue as a luxury it can no longer afford. It will begin to burn your leg and arm muscles just to keep your internal organs alive. This is why many seniors become skinny fat. They may look thin, but they are actually very weak and have high internal fat. You must eat enough to fuel your life. Don't fear healthy calories from fats and proteins. Fear the frailty that comes from a starving body. Remember, a well-fed muscle is your best defense against the very diseases you are trying to avoid. The third mistake is relying too much on processed protein powders and supplements. In our modern world, we are constantly bombarded with advertisements for senior milk or protein shakes that promise instant strength. While these can be a helpful tool in a pinch, they should never be your primary source of nutrition. These powders are highly processed and lack the food matrix, the complex network of vitamins, minerals, and cofactors found in real eggs, fish, and greens. For example, the protein in an egg is absorbed better because of the fats in the yolk. The protein in fish is more effective because of the omega-3s. Supplements are often missing these essential partners. Furthermore, relying on liquids can make your digestive system lazy, leading to poor nutrient absorption over time. Always prioritize the kitchen over the pharmacy. Your body was designed to recognize and thrive on whole, natural foods. To turn all this scientific knowledge into real-world results, you need a clear plan. Here is your 7-day roadmap to start rebuilding your foundation. Day 1 and 2. The breakfast revolution. Your journey begins with the very first meal of the day. Stop the habit of eating only carbohydrates like bread or noodles for breakfast. On these first 2 days, your goal is to consume 2 whole eggs paired with a generous serving of spinach. This combination immediately halts the muscle breakdown that occurred while you slept. Pay close attention to how you feel around 11 a.m. You will notice that your energy levels are far more stable, and the typical mid-morning brain fog or shakiness begins to disappear because your blood sugar isn't spiking and crashing. Day 3 and 4. Nighttime protection. While continuing your high-protein breakfast, we now introduce the night shift protector. Add a small bowl of unsweetened Greek yogurt as your evening snack, about 1 hour before bed. As you sleep on these nights, the casein protein is slowly repairing the micro tears in your leg muscles. By the morning of day 4, you should start to notice that the usual morning stiffness in your joints and calves is slightly reduced. Your legs will feel lighter when you take those first steps out of bed. Day 5. Activating the engine. Nutrition alone isn't enough. We must tell your brain that these muscles are necessary. On day 5, incorporate a very simple functional movement. Perform the chair stand test we did earlier, but this time as an exercise. Do 5 to 10 repetitions twice a day. Move as slowly as possible on the way down. This eccentric movement is what triggers the muscle to grow. You aren't just exercising. You are sending a biological signal to your body to use the protein you've been eating to reinforce your leg fibers. Day 6. Plant-based stability. Today, we focus on durability by adding chickpeas to your lunch. The high magnesium content will work to relax your nervous system and prevent the muscle twitching or cramps. that often plague seniors during activity. By combining plant proteins with your animal proteins, you are covering the full spectrum of amino acids. You'll find that your stamina during daily chores increases, and you won't feel as exhausted by the late afternoon. You are building functional endurance. Day 7, the final reinforcement. Wrap up your week with a fresh, fatty fish meal like salmon. The omega-3s will act as a final cleanup crew, reducing any inflammation from your day 5 exercise and making your cells even more receptive to next week's nutrition. At the end of day 7, retake the 10-second chair test. You might not see bigger muscles in the mirror yet, but you will feel the difference. You will feel a new sense of sturdiness, a firmer grip on the floor, and the confidence that your legs can and will support you. Muscles are much more than just tissues that help us move. They are your body armor in old age. They are the primary foundation of your freedom, your dignity, and your ability to enjoy your golden years without being a burden to anyone. A pair of strong, sturdy legs doesn't just help you walk. It keeps you out of hospital beds, prevents life-changing falls, and ensures you can still play with your grandchildren or travel to the places you love. Don't wait until your legs stop listening to your brain before you start caring. Muscle recovery is not a sprint. It is a persistent, beautiful journey of self-respect that starts with the very next meal you prepare in your kitchen. To help you kickstart this journey, I've handpicked the highest quality supplements and tools specifically designed for senior muscle health. You can find the links to these recommended products in the pinned comment and description below. These are the same essentials that have helped thousands regain their strength and independence. Remember, it is never too late to start. Your body is incredibly resilient, and even after age 60, 70, or 80, your muscle fibers are waiting for the right signals and the right nutrients to grow strong again. You have the power to change your future. One egg, one serving of spinach, and one step at a time. Invest in yourself today so you can enjoy the independence you deserve tomorrow. To be the first to receive these valuable health secrets and deep dives into senior wellness, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right now. By doing this, you're joining a community of people dedicated to aging with strength and grace. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends or family members who might need this wake-up call. Your support is the heartbeat of this channel and the motivation for me to continue researching and releasing high-quality content for you. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.